And one out of Virginia for 2729. First is out of North Carolina. First name is Tyler. Hey! 312. One of them just jumped out of the car and took off running down Squirrel. So what's his name?
Taylor.
Taylor West?
I told him not to.
Why did he run off?
Because he has warrants or something.
Sheriff's Office K9, surrender now or you will get bit! Sheriff's Office K9, surrender now or you will get bit! Sheriff's Office K9, come out of the woods now with your hands up. Announce yourself. You're under arrest. Or we will send a dog and he will bite you. Sheriff's Office K9, come out of the woods now with your hands up. Announce yourself. You are under arrest. Or we will send a dog and he will bite you. What's in your pocket, bud? I see big bulge over here. Alright, no weapons on you? Are you injured at all? No injuries?
My legs are scratched up.
Your legs are scratched up? Alright.
Man, I busted my ass.
What's your name?
Taylor.
Taylor.